Alright, so I found 21 small-town side hustles where you can make big money. That's right. These are side hustles available to anyone, even if you live in a small town, and you're going to absolutely love these. Many of them I have done myself. Many of them other friends of mine have done them successfully. The first one is buying and selling scrap metal. Have you ever looked at that rusty pile of metal in your backyard and thought, what if I could pay for my next vacation with this? Spoiler alert. Sometimes you can, because sometimes one person's trash can be another person's ticket to riches. This is the ultimate side hustle that turns junkyards into gold mines. Basically, what this involves is either buying or finding scrap metal in a small town and then selling them to recycling centers or processing facilities. This side hustle capitalizes on the demand for scrap metal, providing a service to dispose of unwanted metal while generating income through the resale of these materials. A fun fact about this is that this has actually been a side hustle since ancient times, and there's evidence of metal recycling dating back to ancient Rome. When it comes to earning, scrap metal business owners in the US have actually been reaping the rewards of this for years. Just as an example, in 2020, the scrap metal market in the US was evaluated at approximately $52 billion, and it's been growing at 3% every single year. So this is something where you can reliably make $1,000 a month. There are even some months, or some people that really take it seriously, and they can make much more than that. Plus, you're doing a valuable service to society as well. So overall, I'm going to go ahead and give this one an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Alright guys, so I'm sitting here in the editing process, and I realized that I actually have a live stream. It's basically going to be like a workshop. It's going to be a Zoom workshop. You're going to be in a call with me, and I'm going to be teaching you how to grow and monetize YouTube. I'm going to be revealing the 5 biggest secrets that I have when it comes to growing and monetizing YouTube. And then on top of that, I'm going to be answering any questions that you have about starting a successful YouTube channel. So that is going to be at 8 p.m. on Tuesday Eastern Daylight Time because they recently changed that, so it's EDT, Eastern Daylight Time. Definitely check it out. Don't want to miss it. I'll see you there. Next, let's talk about being a handyman. There's a really good app you can do this with, and it's called TaskRabbit. Now, there's a good chance TaskRabbit is available in your area, and typically you're going to start off making about $35 an hour. You can do all kinds of different things, from helping people move to helping people paint a house, or helping people clean up their yards. There are people on different side hustle-related Reddits that report making $5,000 a week or more doing this. There are also people that work part-time and they report making about $1,000 to $1,500 a week. The truth is, these days, most people don't know how to do physical labor. They don't really know how to fix things or do things that require them getting their hands dirty. Everybody's trying to go to college and get a white-collar job, so if you're the type of person who can fix things or you can do physical labor, there's a ton of opportunities out there for you. Handymen typically charge about $50 to $80 per hour, at least, and that comes out to about $320 to $600 per day on average. However, you can charge a lot more than that depending on the type of work that you do. So yeah, overall, this one is excellent. I get it, most of you probably don't want to do this for the rest of your life, but it can be a great way to make some extra money on the side or to even have a job for a short period of your life and just save up money and then later on get a better job. So I'll go ahead and give this one a 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be starting a YouTube channel. That's right. Even if you live out in the middle of nowhere, you live in a small town, as long as you have an internet connection and either a phone or a computer, you can start a YouTube channel. And one thing that I get tired of seeing is all these people who talk about side hustles online, but they don't mention the number one side hustle, which is creating content, which is how they're actually making money. So I try to mention this in almost every video just to let you guys know that I do think this is the number one way of making money, and that's why I'm doing it myself. Interestingly enough, there are a number of content creators that have grown on YouTube by featuring mostly their lives in their small hometowns. Travel, for instance, regularly features parts of his small hometown while also bringing his viewers along his journey of building cabins in the woods. The Cottage Fairy is another example of a channel that got really big during the pandemic when everybody else was locked in, and they were able to allow viewers to feel like they were basically able to walk outside because of the refreshing scenery in a small town where she was. Earnings from a YouTube channel can vary drastically. So I know YouTube channels that are around 5,000 subscribers that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. And I know YouTube channels that have over 1 million subscribers that are barely getting by. And so although YouTube is an incredible opportunity, you want to be smart about the niche that you choose. And that was kind of the mistake that I made, is I chose a bunch of niches that just aren't profitable. And even if I did, get 1 million subscribers, I probably wouldn't have made that much money. For instance, I started a channel on RuneScape. I used to play this game RuneScape back in the day, and I started a channel on that. I started another channel where I talked about different study tips. I started another channel where I talked about self-development, and I uploaded 1-minute videos. And after failing at all those channels, I finally came back to YouTube in 2019, and after I started to take it seriously, after just a few months, I was making over $10,000 a month. And because of this, I was able to quit my job, which I felt like I was stuck in, and I wasn't really passionate about, and it just stressed me out all the time. And once I'd quit my job, I was able to quickly scale my channel up to over $100,000 a month. So yeah, YouTube is incredible. It's without a doubt, in my opinion, the best way of making money online. The only thing is you have to make sure you select the right niche, and you have to make sure that you're making the right videos. And by the way, I do coach a few people on how to grow and make money from YouTube every month. I'm very picky about who I work with because I only want to work with people who I'm confident I can help. But if you want to apply, there's a link in the description of this video where you can apply. And if I don't think I can help you, I'll tell you straight up. So I'll go ahead and give YouTube an opportunity score of 9.5 out of 10. Alright guys, so I just finished editing this video, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. It's a video of 21 different side hustles that you can start and make over $1,000 a month with. And a lot of them are stuff that you can do in small towns. A lot of them are things that you can do right now with things that you have. And so I'm super excited to see how you guys like it. If you do enjoy this type of content, definitely subscribe and also leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite side hustle is. Alright guys, so I just finished editing this video and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm actually really excited to see what you guys think because I think I shared a lot of really unique and valuable side hustles in this video. So if you haven't already, definitely give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And then let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Do you want to see more videos like this in the future? Just let me know down below. I'll definitely be reading all the comments and I'll try to respond to as many as I can. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about starting any of these side hustles, definitely let me know. I would love to help you out. Also, if you have any questions about growing or making money from YouTube, definitely let me know. I would love to help you out. And if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, there's a link down below where you can apply. And if I don't think I can help you, I'll tell you straight up. So yeah, definitely check that out if you're interested. Alright guys, so I just finished editing this video and I'm really excited about it. I think it turned out really well. I shared a lot of really unique and valuable side hustles in this video. So if you haven't already, definitely give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And then let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Do you want to see more videos like this in the future? Just let me know down below. I'll definitely be reading all the comments and I'll try to respond to as many as I can. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.